Hey guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Good morning guys, we're hanging out in bed. It is like possibly the rainiest day I think I've ever experienced.
It is so rainy.
It's not as rainy now as it was earlier though. So we're still in bed. You guys can see, look at the rain. We brought all of our digital Christmas movies upstairs, so we're gonna be watching some Christmas movies, getting some work done, and we just started listening to Jessie J's new Christmas album. It's so freaking good. It reminds me of going to like a fine dining restaurant where there's like a pianist playing, because everything's very like jazzy, more old school Christmassy, which I love. I still have to edit yesterday's vlog actually to get that up. You guys, I'm going through footage from a couple days ago looking for my intro for yesterday's vlog, and I'm so freaked out. I was like trying to find where Sebastian and I say like welcome to Vlogmas Day 9, and I'm listening to the footage, so I'm like going through this one clip, and then it's like Sebastian's voice. He's like standing in front of me, and then all of a sudden you hear this like other voice like in front of the camera. It's freaky. I'll show you guys. I'm like, I literally just got goosebumps. But this is the same day we filmed this, was the day that we filmed the Tasty Treats. And in the Tasty Treats I was talking about how when Sebastian was at McDonald's grabbing our dinner, there was like noises outside the bathroom while I was putting lipstick on, and then I heard something and walked out and saw Chanel staring into like nothingness, and that's the same spot or area where Sebastian's talking to me, and then you hear this extra voice. This is not edited or anything, I just imported this now.
Maybe if you don't move the camera. Yeah.
Do you guys hear that? Like that extra layer right around.
Yeah.
You can hear Sebastian's voice sound so far away, and this part here sounds like there's someone, not where Sebastian is, but sounds like there's someone right behind where the microphone is.
Maybe if you don't move the camera. Yeah.
His voice sounds so distant compared to this one area right here.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm so freaked out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then you hear Sebastian. Like, look at the back.
The camera. Yeah.
It's like it's the voice is saying like, I know, or like, I don't know, maybe I'm just tripping.
Maybe if you don't move the camera. Yeah.
But it sounds like double layers, like right here, or it sounds like there's a voice coming from behind where the microphone is. And I played it for Sebastian, and he was like, I don't know what that is. Like, that's really creepy. Especially because, like I said, my dog will just randomly start staring at one spot and not look away. And I'm like, why is he staring at that? Or he'll just like in the middle of the night start barking for no reason. And he's not the type of dog that does that. He almost never barks, but now I'm like freaking. Hey guys, so update. It's like 3:30 now, and I still haven't finished yesterday's vlog. The tree is finally like 99% done. We've done almost everything to it. We just need to find a tree topper. The one that I have right now is kind of like, it's super old. I'm pretty sure I took it from my mom from like one of our old tree toppers and just never replaced it. So I really want to get like a cute one, or who knows, maybe I'll end up putting that one on there. But I am gonna put my tree skirt on right now. Hey, we need to put you in some clothes too. Do you want the red one? Look at this sweater. It's a little Rudolph sweater. What I was saying is, I got this tree skirt. I got this from Crate and Barrel, and it matches these stockings, which I still need to move, and it matches those and this, as well as some pillows that we still haven't brought downstairs from last year that we picked up from Crate and Barrel. You guys saw those in the vlogs. This tree skirt is monstrous, and I think originally it was like $200, and I got it on the most crazy sale ever. It ended up being like $25. They just wanted to get rid of it. We changed our minds. We're actually gonna put the big tree skirt under this tree, and we're gonna put the tree skirt my sister gave me under this tree. And I think this will go better because we have all of the cable knit stuff in the dining room, so it kind of ties all together. Also, I have the cable knit garland, so it kind of just all goes together. And then over here, we're gonna use the faux fur tree skirt for the big tree, which I think will look great. Also, this one's round, which is really nice, so then it actually goes all the way around the tree. Since this tree is real, it's really hard to get under there without coming out completely covered in needles. I really love the look of this tree skirt. So wintry and furry. There we go. It's good. All right, now let's set up this one over here. Like, you do that one. No, you're being such a cat. You keep going on my tree skirt. Come here. This is not a new Nell bed. No, it's not. It is not a new bed for Nell. No. No, you silly Willy.
Back to me.
No, you think it's yours. yours. It's not for you. Hey guys, so it is quite a bit later now. I posted the Vlogmas day 9 and 10 just about an hour ago. It took forever to edit that video. I like don't even know how I wasted so much time doing it. Sebastian and I are eating, wow, we ate the whole box. Seriously. Okay, good. We're eating Swiss cheese crackers. We're ordering pizza right now from a place called Pizza Pizza. I remember when I was little, there'd be like commercials of Pizza Pizza on TV, and I've never had it before. I always thought it was Little Caesars. Do they say that in the Little Caesars commercials? Like, Pizza Pizza, do they? I don't know. I'm rambling right now.
They don't deliver here.
What?
Yeah.
What do we want to do? Honestly, the thing I want most in the world right now is just poutine from New York Fries. I was planning on making dinner, but because my vlog took so long to edit, I'm like too exhausted at this point. It is so mentally draining. I probably look so rough right now too, like, I'm disgusted.
Yes, you do.
I really do.
Just kidding.
We're at the mall now. We're gonna grab some dinner here. We have to grab coffee anyways. We're gonna go to have New York Fries. It's a vlog special. I know it seems like we eat really bad all the time, but I promise when it's not Vlogmas, we try to eat really well. I don't know why I feel the need to justify this, but yeah, we're getting poutine again. So we got our poutine. Looks delicious. We got a pop too, because you know, healthy diet.
That's so cute. There's a Grinch coming out. That's Neljo.
Good morning guys, and welcome to Vlogmas day. What day is it again? It's the 12th, isn't it? Holy crap, it's so far along into December. It feels like I'm so unprepared. So I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna do a little bit of B-roll filming upstairs for my DIY room decor video. That is basically all I have on the agenda so far. This vlog's gonna go up tomorrow, and I will return to daily vlogs again after I get this video done, but this is just like my priority right now because it is so late into December, and I know that this is basically just a video that's going to be useful for people next year because this year everyone already has all their decorating done. The great thing about these DIYs is a lot of them can actually be given as gifts. It's not just purely Christmas. You could actually make these things and have them around all year depending on how you customize them. Okay, so I'm gonna get ready to film some B-roll, and I actually feel like trying to put some eyeshadow on today. I normally never do, but when I film for like my more produced videos, I usually put a little bit more effort into my makeup than my standard everyday look. I'm gonna start off with my foundation, which you guys know. If you saw my last video, which was my get ready with me. Got some B-roll filming done, which I'm really happy about. Yeah, now we're making dinner. So So we're going to kind of make this. We're using different cheeses.
We don't
and
have
we're
those.
also, we're doing truffle. Nice
Do we
hair.
have truffles?
Well, let's see if we have some oil. This is like probably the first time in my life that I don't have 3 separate bottles of truffle oil. But the one that I do have is from Trader Joe's, and I think it's just like so old there's no truffle flavor left in it. I haven't used truffle oil in such a long time, but I used to use it all the freaking time. So we were planning on having truffle grilled cheese instead of jalapeno, since I'm kind of a little bit of a wimp with spice. But I guess we're just gonna have regular grilled cheese. We're gonna use Gruyere instead though, because I love Gruyere or any kind of Swiss cheese for grilled cheese. It has like a sharper flavor, so you actually taste more of like a cheesiness. You can use cheddar cheese, but I personally find it doesn't get as stringy, and I like the strings. So since it's such a classic pairing, we're also going to have some tomato soup with it. We've never had this one before. I'm excited to see how it tastes. This is by Happy Planet, and it is their Tuscan tomato, basil, and cream. My jacket don't get no love, no hats and no gloves, not even a chance to rain. Turning the heat into a nice cold holiday. Nature's for me and my baby. We have our Parmesan cheese. It's grated in the bottom of a shallow dish. I'm gonna show you guys the recipe, and if you wanna recreate it, then you guys can just screenshot this. Otherwise, like I said in my last video, if you contact me, I will send you a picture of the actual recipe. So this is the recipe. What we've substituted is we are using Gruyere instead of the cheddar, and we're also using a little bit of mozzarella. We also don't have jalapenos, but yeah, this is the steps. We're doing a hack. Our butter is not softened to room temperature, so we're taking a chunk of it and we just microwaved some hot water for 1.5 minutes, and now we're
It doesn't fit.
It doesn't fit?
Too big.
No. Can you just leave it there? Okay, so we're gonna let that sit there for a couple minutes so it softens. We can't really do anything until this is done. Butter is kind of integral to the recipe. It's a little bit more melted than we had hoped for, but we can work with it. I picked this stuff up at Trader Joe's the other day. I'm curious about how it tastes. This is what we're having for dinner. We have some tomato soup, our sandwiches. I'm gonna try the mustard. I don't know how I'll feel. Sebastian obviously has a way bigger portion because he freaking loves mustard. So we're gonna have this and watch some Vlogmas videos. Oh my God, your hair.
Right.
Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog for the night. I've just been editing for the past couple hours, and I will probably be editing until I go to bed. I'm trying to make a lot of progress on this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And again, I will have way more interesting content once this DIY room decor video is done. I know that the vlogs have been a little bit lacking in terms of quality content, so I hope you guys will just bear with me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next vlog. Bye guys!
Merry Christmas.